Hello! Thought I'd show you a little progress on my rocks that I was talking about yesterday. So here's my pattern, and I decided to use a lot of the fabric samples that I had received from a local interior designer, and she gave me some of her fabric sample books, so I thought those would make great rocks. So I've made my pattern and then cut out the main part of my rock, and then I've added some shading. There's a lot of shadows in this picture, so this will be the major shadows, and this is just the darker parts of the rock. So that's one. I've lost my pin. I'll show you a different one. They're all different colors because the rocks on this beach were in fact all different colors. So this was in Costa Rica. So here's another one, and I've also added some felt to the back. I'm going to actually, this is the first time I've ever done this, I'm actually going to try to make them more 3D. So I'm stuffing some of them to make them stick out, and hopefully it works out. I'm always trying something new, and I hope to goodness it does work out, because otherwise it was a lot of work for nothing. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll show you some more progress later. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I love sharing my passion. So if you could like this video below and also subscribe to my channel, it helps me reach more people so that I can share my passion with others. Thanks!